In project management, project managers utilize various tools and techniques to represent the dependencies and relationships between activities and ensure that they are executed in the most efficient and effective manner. These tools and techniques include applying leads and lags. The efficient sequencing of tasks is essential for timely project completion. One powerful tool for optimizing task dependencies is the concept of leads. Leads enable project managers to accelerate successor tasks, ensuring a compressed project timeline and improved efficiency. This lecture explores the concept of applying leads in project management, highlighting its significance and benefits. Additionally, a practical example will be provided to illustrate how leads can be effectively utilized in a real-world project scenario. In this lecture, we will be discussing the leads, and in the next lecture, we will take on the topic of applying lags. In project management, leads represent a time adjustment that allows the successor task to start before the completion of its predecessor's task. By applying a lead, project managers can compress the project schedule, streamline task dependencies, and increase overall project efficiency. Leads are typically utilized when there is a need to expedite critical tasks or when certain tasks can be initiated prior to the completion of their predecessors. The application of leads requires careful consideration of task interdependencies, resource availability, and potential risks. It is essential to evaluate the impact of introducing a lead to the project timeline, resource allocation, and the critical path. Project managers must strike a balance between accelerating project progress and maintaining the quality and integrity of the work being performed. The strategic application of leads in project management offers several benefits, including improved project efficiency. Leads enable project managers to optimize task sequencing, reducing project duration and improving overall efficiency. By allowing successor tasks to start earlier, project teams can complete their work in parallel, reducing idle time and maximizing resource utilization. Faster project delivery. By compressing the project timeline through the application of leads, project managers can accelerate the completion of tasks or critical tasks. This not only ensures the project delivery but also allows organizations to gain a competitive advantage by delivering products or services to the market faster. Enhanced resource management. Applying leads can help project managers optimize resource allocation. By allowing successor tasks to begin earlier, resources can be utilized more effectively and efficiently. This reduces bottlenecks, prevents resource shortages, and improves overall project productivity. Increased flexibility. Leads provide project managers with the flexibility to adapt to changing project circumstances. If a predecessor's task encounters unexpected delays, the application of leads allows project teams to mitigate the impact by starting the successor task earlier, maintaining project momentum. To illustrate the concept of applying leads in project management, let's consider a practical example of a software development project. Suppose the project involves developing a mobile application with coding and testing as the main task. In this scenario, the coding task is the predecessor, while the testing task is the successor. The project manager determines that a lead of 3 days can be applied to the testing task. This means that the testing phase can commence 3 days before the completion of the coding phase. By applying this lead, the project manager enables the testing team to start their work while the coding team is still finalizing the remaining coding tasks. This parallel execution of tasks reduces the overall project duration, allowing for early identification and resolution of any issues or bugs. Consequently, the quality of the application is enhanced and the project is completed in a shorter time frame, resulting in increased customer satisfaction. The application of leads in project management is a powerful technique for optimizing task sequencing and accelerating project success. By strategically adjusting the start time of successor tasks, project managers can enhance project efficiency, reduce project duration, and improve resource allocation. The practical example discussed in this lecture demonstrates the practical application of leads in a software development project, highlighting the benefits of this concept in real world project scenarios. See you in the next lecture.